This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Una.Soskin. Located in the heart of Churchland with easy access to highways, military bases, medical facilities, shopping, and dining. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome is a spacious open floor plan with inviting natural light. A fully fenced-in backyard constructed for you to enjoy plenty of outdoor activities. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below or contact Una.Soskin at 757-488-4600.